Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to take off one of these locking lug nuts if you lost the key to it, which I did. So what you're going to do is put a socket on it big enough to get on there tight. This is a 21 millimeter. Okay, and just bang it in. Okay, then you're going to take your breaker bar, or in my case I'm going to use my impact gun. Okay, it comes right off. Okay, now the hard part is getting that lug nut off of this socket. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so you got your lug nut stuck to your socket, and if you try to put this on the vise, when you hit it, it's gonna just slide down. Okay, so you want to just put this on top like that and let it ride on the edges, you know, make it tight enough where it's, you know, still loose. But so now you're gonna put something in here, whatever. I'm using a bolt that fits in there. You're just gonna whack it. Okay, now you should wear some eye protection for this, because it's gonna go flying. Okay, like that. So here's your socket, here's your lug nut. Okay, I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.